Hello everyone. In this video, we will start coding for restaurant application. So let's start a new project from here, new project, and choose empty activity. Click on next. Here you will write your application name, which is this is the package name, which is very important. This package name is very important. Okay, so where we use this package name is here. Let's open Play Store. So I will tell you where the package name will be used. So let's open apps and choose any application. So this is the package name which we are selecting here. Okay, so be careful while choosing a package name. It should be similar like your application. Like this is Google, and this part will be always same for every application, and this is the package name which will be unique. This is the project location. This is the language which we will use here. So we are going to use Java. In another course, I will create a course for you in course. So here we will choose minimum SDK level. So minimum SDK level should be that which will work on multiple devices. So if we will choose 28, so it will work on only 39% of devices. So we are going to choose 21, 22, or something like that, a smaller SDK level, and finish. So here we are at project. So this is our Java application, Java class, and this is our XML class. Okay, so you can see XML coding here. This line you will see on every XML coding on means on first line of every XML class. Okay, so this is our package name. These are our imports. We have imported app compact activity class here. Okay, so those all classes which we will use in this in coding here. First of all, we have to import those all classes here. Okay, so we have used bundle class also because we are using bundle here. So inside this class, we are getting on create method from this class. So this method will be present inside app compact activity class. Okay, so if we will remove this and we will write it like this. So this is a Java class. This is a simple Java class. But if we'll extend this class and import this method, that means this is an activity now. Okay, activity means where we are adding a view means a design view. Okay, so this is a complete Android app screen. So in this line we are adding our activity main, means our XML layout. So we can say this is XML layout. Okay, so we are adding this here. Okay, this is the class name or activity name. Okay, so here it's taking time in loading. So here you can see that we can see that this is the first uh, widget which we are using here, which is constraint layout. Constraint layout means there are multiple type of layouts like constraint layout, relative layout, linear layout, and many more. Okay, so layout is like a envelope inside which we put its children. Like this is a text view. text view is nothing but it is used for putting some information like heading or showing some information. So this is the text view. Okay, and this is our Java class where we are adding this XML class. If you will press Control and you will click here, you will navigate to your XML class. Okay, so let's start creating restaurant application homepage. So here we will write restaurant app. Okay, and its size should be around 30 dp. dp means density pixel. Okay, so like if you ever have used Word or Paint apps, so we also give size similar like that. Okay, so here we are giving it 30 size. Okay, and we want to give it a color, so its color will be in hexacode. So let's give it any color and choose it from here. So we are giving it this color and its style also to make it bold. Okay, so and it should be on top of screen. Let's run this. This is the emulator. Okay, so this is free of cost. If you don't have Android phone, you can use this. So you can create emulator from here. Go to AVD and virtual device, and you have to